Hello guys, and welcome to my video. Today we'll be installing Bone Lab Multiplayer. First we need to go into our MetaQuest app and we need to switch the variants of Bone Lab. So you're going to want to look up Bone Lab and on your thing, and then you're going to want to scroll down to your variants, which I'm about to show. Now, like I said, you want to scroll down until you see the variant, version of the game. And then you want the public beta. It'll normally be on live, but you want the public beta. And you need the public beta for it to work. Now, something else I'm going to do, I don't know if it's required, but I'm going to do it, is put your thing in developer mode. So what you want is you want to go to you want to cast. You want to go to headset settings, and then there should be a developer thing, and you want to click that. And then after that, you want to reset your MetaQuest or your Oculus Quest. Now, step 2 of this process is to go to your browser and look up CX browser. And you're going to want to click the first link, and you're going to want to click download. Now, I'm not going to because obviously I already have it. I'll link it down in the video description below. Now, I'm also going to install Lemon Loader, and you're going to want to scroll down to release and click on that. And then you want the Lemon Loader APK, or Melon Loader APK. I don't know why it says Melon Loader. Don't ask me why. But it says Lemon Loader Installer.apk. You want to download that. To download it, all you have to do is click on it. It's no big deal. So, after that, you want to close your browser. Oh, well, there's all the links. Sorry. But after you put in those links and download all that, you want to close your browser. And then you want to get into your mobile VR station app. If you don't know how to, if you don't have it and don't know how to install it, which most people do, I'm about to show you how. So, good luck. Now, after that, you want to just load mobile VR station up. Now, you want to go to local files, all folders, and then you want to go to Android, data, scoped storage options, and request thing. Then you want to go to standalone HMD, download, and then you want to click the 4 arrows, and then you want to click continue, and then you want to click download. Mine says update because I already have it installed, so I won't update it. After you're done, you want to close mobile VR station. Go to your drop-down menu, click unknown sources, go to your CX file explorer. Then it'll take a little thing, and then you want to go to downloads. Then you want to click Melon Loader Installer APK, and it will say download, but I'm going to click cancel. You also want to move your mods folder, your resource folder, and your saved folders. So to do that, you go to Android, Data, Stress Level 0 / Bone Lab, and then you want to move those. I recommend moving them to alarms. Now, don't do anything I'm doing right at the moment because I'm trying to figure out why it's doing it. But anyways, that's how you do that. I suggest doing it because doing the next step will wipe all of that because it has to patch the game. Anyways, after you're done with that, you want to go into the library. You want to go to the drop-down menu if you're not already in unknown sources. You want to go to Lemon Installer, or Lemon Installer, sorry. It'll take a while to, load into it, but it's all worth it. After it loads in, you want to click on Bone Lab. And then with this warning, you want to wait for it to say understood and click it, and then you want to click patch. Now, after you patch the game, I recommend launching the game. It takes from 5 to 30 minutes to launch. If it doesn't, you did something wrong and you have to go through the steps again. But anyways, after you're done, you want to go to your browser. You want to go to Thunderstore. You want to go to thunderstore.io/c/Bone Lab. You want to download Bone Lab, so you just click on the manual download. Then the next thing you want to download is Fusion. And this will actually give you the multiplayer in Bone Lab. And you have to do all the other steps to make it to where it'll actually work. But anyways, all you have to do is click the manual download again, wait for it to download, and then move on to the next thing you have to download, which is Ragdoll Player. Now, this, when you click in on the right stick, I believe, you will ragdoll. It's actually quite fun to play around with, and it is required for Bone Lab Fusion to work. Because when you die, it ragdolls you. It's actually quite cool, but to some people, it's not. I misclick it all the time. I think it's funny, just to randomly ragdoll everywhere. I think it's freaking hilarious. But anyways, you click on manual download again, and then you go to CX Explorer. Now, after it loads in, you want to go to downloads, and you only want the mods and the resource folders. You do not want the icon, the manifest, or the readme.md. You do not want any of those. All you want is the mods, the resources. That's all you want. And I suggest during this step you move everything back to where it was. So your mods menu, your resource, and your save menu back to where it was. Once again, mine's not working for some reason. Still don't know why. It's very annoying, but oh well. But anyways, after you're done, you want to go into your app library and launch Bone Lab. Now, as I said before, don't freak out. Your game will take 5 to 30 minutes to load in. after you patch it. After that, it'll load in totally fine, just like mine is. It'll only take like 2 minutes, I believe. Not even. But it'll still take a while, but it's all well worth it. Now, sometimes it also helps to click on your your MetaQuest button, and then click on your game, and then click resume. Sometimes it'll load in faster. Now, after you load in, go to the back of the platform. If there's 2 new machines, you did it correctly. If there's not 2 machines, you have to redo all the steps. So, also, I kind of messed up. It can take less than 5 minutes to load in. It's just not very likely. Now, I'm going to take you through how everything works. So, once you get into your game, open your menu, go to Preferences. You should have a Bone menu as well. Click on it. You should have Bone Lab, Fusion, and Ragdoll Player. Now you can do ammo settings, which I don't know what it does. You can spawn items, and you can do the fun stuff, which you can spawn a lot of things. The notification says hi, fuck you, so just be aware of that. I'm sorry because I show it in my video. I don't actually mean it. Or do I? You'll never know, I guess. So this is how Bone Lab Fusion actually works. So you go into matchmaking. It also has network layer management settings. Server info, that's how you create a server. And those are your settings for it. Now you can, this is your thing. I'll show you how to set that up tomorrow because, well, someone's actively using the computer at the moment. And it's kind of important, so I probably won't get that until tomorrow. Here's your ragdoll settings. Anyways, you go into matchmaking, and then you click the bottom 2 for your settings, or to join public lobbies. Anyways, this is the ragdoll mod shown. You have to actually activate where you can use your hands. It's a blast, though. I like the ragdoll mod. You can just ragdoll everywhere, like I said. Now, I tried to actually load into my game, but I think the person on the computer closed the software, so it didn't work. But you join public lobbies by just how I just did it. So what you saw there is me trying to reload the game. It still didn't work. Like I said, I think the person on the computer closed my software. So, yeah, this is how you create server. You go into server info, and then you click create server. Like I said, my thing didn't refresh. I'm kind of bummed out about that because I was going to show you guys all that. Like I said, I will show that and how to install the Fusion helper in my next video because, like I said, the person on the computer is doing important things. So, yeah. But anyway, if you like my channel or, my videos, please don't be afraid to like and subscribe. because these are a part for your entertainment, even though it's really not entertainment. I also want to show off this mod because I really like this mod. Anyways, until next time, I'm Ty.